Mame fab the twin family yanku yenim. Nigerian transgender be a friend area mama transgender or ye bema ana done no ho ba so what I say. Ara ho sama ba beto jan say transgender yi opie eye no on the 8th of August 2024. Pie no wa ansa ma biom oba aye no anampo ye hunu no na e ni funu ana ye hunu. Vivieze ni capito yenya ye beko Nigeria. Sa the city enti ensema bobo no but a quick one mame fa update no fama you read the article way from yes my read the article way from Pulse Ghana GH. So what I say, area mama Abuja based cross dresser reportedly murdered in cold blood until her dated 8 August 2024 and now Thursday no anasara husemu esi our Nigeria an Abuja based cross dresser known as area mama has reportedly been killed in the early hours of Thursday 8 August 2024. Mama fan to aso no fama enti ohwe krata na that one. Yes, area mama had previously spoken about the threat and mistreatment he faced due to his lifestyle. In 2022 he recounted how he was assaulted in the Gwarimpa area of the Federal Capital Territory. Okay, the incident occurred during one of his hookups outing in Abuja, where he was beaten by a group of men after a squabble with a taxi driver who had patronized his services. In a video posted on social media, he showed the bruises and the black eye he sustained from the assault. The news of his murder has sparked outrage among netizens who are calling on authorities to leave no stone unturned in bringing the culprit to justice. The post below shows that area mama was murdered in the clothes she wore in her last TikTok post. Okay, enti area mama no. Ono akasa osha why ye complain be in the year 2022 so what I say because of senior and CBS no cross gender no or ye hookup service into hookup no kwa sebi enuanom wode ne to na eko because or transgender obeye bibia ma but ansa na yi ne beba no na ubenya yi na ubewura baby ni to kro no eye kire ho so what I say but he has spoken about mistreatment what have it and I want encounter during any hookup services or yeah so what I say enti osha Okan or see he showed the bruises and the black eye he sustained from the assault. Mame first happy channel for mount so what I say mame first happy channel for mount into wosha ne other post or yeah and I said other incident or have in the year 2022 no him say ya boni ye pa ni na no wamfanya adisua so what I say wamfanya adisua enti opani me unze me friend opani o ze me friend you cross gender ne dia ye friend area mama enti area mama no vivieze ni area mama ye nya ye ye beko Nigeria ye na free America na embassy yanko area mama ye no so what I say enti ohwa na ohwa ada picture na ya blend kakra because na ne huguo kakra ti ya bona ma se wawu ono so kwa kope bibia abedi en se hookup na oye asemo eti eno ni nsema ba mame mfasa we images we mfama we e bra na the last TikTok video the last TikTok video area mama no yes and odanda no me say so be an country or yeah cross gender you never know so what I say area mama RIP to area mama of Abuja yakwa Nigeria enti we ni update ababeto bet mamemfa ni videos kakra mfa ma na wankasa Philip ana afeso Nigeria for ni bi so ayede react to the news so what I say bloggers from Nigeria central from Nigeria react to area mama wo no no so what I say enra ana rahusem yi den ebeto bia enti mamemfa area mama video ni bi mfa ma na who say no city any reactions of Nigerian bloggers ebra wisem we eto omunua bema na omunua ba Hey. Oh, Tim say, oh, acquire Jumaba. Hey. Ade. Hey. Hey. Ade. Ade.
Strong professional Ashwa.
Hey. Charlie. Area mama no. Strong professional show. Show. Okay.
Boyfriend is so nice to me because I'm sweet on bed.
Irrespective of the fact that most of us did not like the life he lived, the truth of the matter is that he was a human being. And if you ask me, I will tell you that he was a good human being.
Okay.
He had a kind heart. He was a human being that people depended on. He was a human being that people in his family depended on to provide for. And he did everything humanly possible that did not involve hurting anybody physically or going into robbery. He did everything humanly possible to provide for those people. That is the only thing I see when I look at this picture. Somebody that tried very hard to provide for his family, even though we didn't like the kind of life he was living. So he did not deserve to die the way he died. And if you are one of those people rejoicing that finally they have pied him, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You are actually not a human being, you are an animal. Because it is only animals that will gruesomely kill their fellow animal like that. Human beings don't act that way. Human beings don't act that way. You are free to frown at somebody's way of life, but you don't have the right to take anybody's life. You don't have that right. So long that person is not physically abusing or hurting anybody in any way. There are robbers out there, but he chose not to be a robber. He chose to live that kind of life. He didn't force anybody to knack him, to the people that were knacking him. He didn't force anybody. He was verbal about the kind of life he was living. He was open. He came outside here and he said it. So he didn't deserve to die the way he died. He didn't. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
In fact, I was doing that skin to skin before well. But when I come sit down, I say, really, mama, this thing where I did do, it is dangerous. And that time where I did do, I did dry. My body did dry. My body did dry. I know they get myself. But I did make money. If I come out, I go see my way, go carry me for night. You could say skin to skin, 100,000, 200, 150, 300. I did get money. But they think they dry my blood because I don't really know the kind of thing so they put for my body. I know as I do like this, but I no guarantee you say my destiny if they complete. If you don't use me do money, we make my life come be like say I get useless because I don't need it. No, it's not a laughing matter.
Oh boy, something just happened in Abuja. Very, very annoying something. You remember this cross-dresser called Area Mama? Yes, she was quiet in Abuja. You know, when he started, I thought she was just a content creator, you know, a cross-dresser. I didn't know she was taking that in serious. According to her, she talks that she did do a show. Same men, they sleep with them, they pay her money. And sometimes you see her making video around 2 o'clock in the night. You go to say in this somewhere, saying just go finish your show work, they come back. And the man will carry on that night to get big bowl away.
In fact, I was doing that skin to skin before well. But when I come sit down, I say, really, mama, this thing where I did do, it is dangerous. And that time where I did do, I did dry. My body did dry. My body did dry. I know they get myself. But I did make money. If I come out, I go see my way, go carry me for night. You could say skin to skin, 100,000, 200, 150, 300. I did get money. But they think they dry my blood because I don't really know the kind of thing so they put for my body. I know as I do like this, but I no guarantee you say my destiny if they complete. If you don't use me do money, we make my life come be like say I get useless because I don't need it. No, it's not a laughing matter.
So I've been teaching our content about those things. I'm not going to say the thing is serious. Now, the bone of contention be say they don't buy this guy for Abuja, and the reason why they buy him because of what thing they do. Yes, I know say this thing no be our culture, but why you go buy human being? Every Nigerian life matters. Why you go buy person just like that? Every Nigerian life matters. At least na her body, I'll be na him body, no be your body. Why you just buy him like that? Yes, our culture no support this thing, but at least life be this now. Now we don't buy him now. What you again? I beg. If you be person will be LGBTQ or maybe in fact I'm talking to all the whole gays and lesbians for Nigeria. If you know say you in Nigeria, you are endangered. Mind yourself, know how you did they do all these things. Even from my area that year for Agoju, you go see them they beat somebody. If you go there, go check who did they beat, you go see and say na man. They'll tell you say the person Gabriel, na homo na be. Say a fine person from online come. You go meet person online, you go just come meet the person from your area. For this country with dangerous like this, you are endangered in Nigeria. So mind how they do all these things. If they do all these things, just keep on to yourself. Keep on they inside your door, they do. I'm not they come outside or come online, they talk all these things because this area mama so will die. So she they come online, they talk all these things, say how she take knack man, all these kind of things. You are endangering yourself. So mind yourself, know how they take do all these things. Now Nigeria now we do. Every lives matters. If you say them take by this area mama, they even removing cloth. Ingola self when they Ingola just there outside. I beg, this is not good, this is bad. Police, I'm not gonna do something about this thing because now human being and with that, no matter what the person they do, nobody holy at the end of the day.
Okay, into about him no. Pictures in the old
I just there outside.
A bit fast rapture. If you have pictures now, team say yes, an ordinary. Pictures, ocean pictures, no near the idea. And one must be diagro. One must be diagro. Would one can share the no? And Yakuti on one cassa dear, not a bab on table granting interview, say. So what I say. Na Nigeria no, say Jamamugu hopa. Nigeria say Jama omugu ogoro ho obaba wa bia bakwakofa no e bia badwin se bia woye oba memum no oye bema so atase yen ko back na yen sentie yen nua ba we ono so de reaction kakra de aba Nigeria for no dey call for police say omu ntinyina na aja omu ntinyina na nkaja hwe na nka bibia Nigeria lives matter obia nso any the otimi din abraboye but for you guys to some be kuna free we asene de enye
like what is really going on in Nigeria? Like what is really going on? Like since we say we have for Nigeria is so sad. Like you can't live in your own country freely because they live one kind of life where people now accept. I don't understand. Una don't turn to God. Like Una tell us, Una don't turn to God. Una don't turn to God when say they judge. Una let people live the life where they want to live. If they want to repent, they repent. If they don't see repent, let God judge them. Which one are going to take their life? Which one are going to keep people anyhow? The country now don't too bad. So okay, now they say the bad government, so say mona go kill them. If not so now they kill them. I believe say fear no go let people let anybody enter, can't they do anyhow? Innocent one now they carry on a frustration they meet. What's in the area mama do? What you do now? Una say una dey talk for comment section blah blah blah. Like good for may not cause for our children. If you train your pikin well, nobody go spoil your pikin. Nobody go spoil your pikin for you. See, I read comments I say God, this life is this Nigerian when it will take better. Una they do protests up and down. They do this one, bad government, this and that, blah. But we will be the individual. Now we was past. When I just carry person life now, we just kill him like say the person that goes on our foul. Yes, the boy come and say that what he like to do. Also come do now. Not be men they carry him, now woman they fuck him, now they fuck the guy. Not be men see they carry him, they fuck him, they give him money. Which one are come they curse him, they say deserve the death. Who deserve death? Who deserve death? Even your worst enemy self, you know wish him death. Still not like the guy. You know go leave him. There's no need for all this. There's no need for all this. Now just carry that innocent bone and just kill him for person when they find food for your own belly. Not be say he come na house, come beg for food. He live your own life. He even use the guy interview them, he even use your man and say people they DM now, they say they want to do the kind of thing where they do. In they delete, they block them because it says because street life is not easy for them. So you know go want me person to come join her. See what we ourselves they do for when closet it was past wetin that boy dey do. It was. But me you know say as you dey wish person death go still come to you. As you dey wish say yes e good for am na so the death go still knock for your door one day. And maybe your own now go better pass una own. Make una rest, you go dey your own country like this, you go see the fear for your own life. You go outside country, you feel waka freely without any for nights you go dey waka freely without you no fear for anything. But for Nigeria, go try him around 10, you don't run enter house, around 9, you don't run enter house because you don't know what's there outside, you don't know who they wait for you and want kill you. So now that country now they do protest for. Which can't protest. I think I'm gonna arrest
Okay. Uni abano so no ana wari se agu ono ona don come ona don say ona don Viviezeni e say dia ye ne de ye bekwa yi ewo Nigeria ye behwe na enti transgender ma me read the article we see ya na mani twa so em so no say a Nigerian blogger oheni dina em say uche ona or say trigger warning. Wake up this morning with this sad news about the murder of a popular Nigerian trans woman, Abuja area mama. Area mama was brutally murdered and her body dumped on the street of Abuja. This senseless and transphobic murder highlights the urgent need for greater protection and acceptance of LGBTQ+ individuals in Nigeria. This serves as a start reminder of the ongoing struggle of equality and justice for all LGBTQ+ Africans, especially black trans people. We are calling on Nigerian government at Nigerian police to do everything in their power to investigate the people responsible for the murder of Abuja area mama. All Nigerians LGBTQ+ activists, leaders, organizations, lawyers should never rest until justice for area mama is said. I am heartbroken as this brings back so many horrible memories and a reminder of why I do this work. If you are not hungry for justice, you are probably full with privileges. Okay, honestly, yes, for uche ona into Nigerian news about to LGBTQ imbaye enti minim bedemason ebeto from ewo Ghana ha no ma hwese LGBT for no ebi beye posting bia so acha say no so be the update bebro nti we na edi ahim ewo highway no so was born TV nkonkonsa headquarters na anyhow enti di aba no oba hima no what they saying Abuja area mama they say we are best hot with spice. We are best hot with spicy pepper. Hey, Abuja area mama. Now what for you?
My destiny they complete. If you don't use me do money, we make my life come be like say I get useless because I don't need it. No, it's not a laughing matter.
Oh boy, something just happened in Abuja.
Okay, eti uni aba picture no. And I'm person who study na hard here. Study the picture, study the posture, the demeanor of the posture, the triangles. Hey, again I watch here. I'm ready for currency. Nigeria, there is God. Oh, there is God. Oh, Mr. Drop your comment in a professional way. I mean, what? And I'm in pharmacy so. And I'm in pharmacy so. There be Mr. I never try. We are talking about the lives of a human being. So what I say no see abon edina ato so no ano odini So as I say, Abuja area mama. Okay, me da say it any update ababeto was one TV and I'm the man umpe we na pede opeka moto. Drop your comment in a professional way. In case you be a person running advert or down my plus 233-272-678-715. VVS any the kwa ye area mama. RIP to area mama. Abuja area mama. Yamin Shirobia. Capito. Comfort Taylor. Spence, watch it. Nanako Kudia. Piercing Whispers. Yamin Shirobia. Vicky Kunabu. Pia Yamin Shirobia. Update about Mr. Wadar man watching video naman. That's it.